My name is Duane Eitreim. I'm living here at Edison. I'm the first one exposed to the Tide Gate flood system of the Edison Slough. I moved here in 1944, so I have some experience and knowledge of the item. There's been a lot of controversy, a lot of upsets, and a lot of money spent and wasted to get a system to work for an estuary or a salmon inlet or just plain drainage. At the present time, I'm working now with Juel Tide Gate, and they have the first control that has worked anywhere near efficient. They have not flooded me out all summer. We went with a perfect year on no flooding over my pastures, which is far from anything that they had in there before. We do have good drainage, and I'd just like to say that that tide gate, with the control that there is now, is far superior to any tide gate that we've ever tried, and we have tried a mess of them. The first one that they put in was an SRT. It had 3 floats, and nobody knew what was floating and what was sinking. Of course, every tide comes in at a different speed, depending on barometer, height, and winds out here in the bays that affect us, and that valve could not compensate for anything. The valve in their present time, when it hits a certain height, it is closing, and it is closing very accurately. I can just look at the tide book and just about tell you within 10 seconds of when it's going to close, and I think I proved that to a couple of people there one day. The next try, they put in a side valve, swing valve, and it worked good, they thought, for about a year. Nobody complained because it wasn't opening at all. It just sat there for a year, stuck shut. And now this one here, it does open itself, so it's keeping itself clean, and it closes accurately. So far, it's been very good compared to the others. I can be out at my barn, which is about half mile upstream of the gate, and I can look and see the incoming salt water, and I feel very comfortable that I know right where it'll stop. The other ones I never knew. I had to either go get the cattle up on the higher ground or hope that it stopped. This one here, I just don't even pay any attention anymore to salt water running in. It's been basically 100% since it's been in, which is unbelievable. I missed it by 11 seconds, damn it. That pisses me off. I told you I know what this goddamn valve does. And see, when the water...
We should have a camera on him.
When the camera, the tide don't get quite to that 5.7 where I showed you on this one with the 5.2s,